Okay. This is real wood. Are you ready? You ready? See it cutting through the wood? Okay, look. Here, we'll cut all the way through this wood here. Okay, I'm not gonna move. Okay, look. I hold it still. Okay, look. Not a big a deal. It's fine. Totally fine. It just moves up and down with the blade. See? Touch it lightly. Touch it hard. Not that big a deal. I don't think it can really hurt you. Look. We'll get real close in on it. You ready? See if we can focus on it. Come on, focus, you fuck! Let's see. There we go. It's a real blade. Definitely real. Very sharp. You can see the teeth. Rawr.